Given the expectation for strong auto production growth in Mexico with 30% more capacity coming online in the next 2 years, and the potential for additional near-sourcing manufacturing in Mexico, how attractive do you find the Mexican freight market?
Union Pacific has a big edge in terms of Mexico. I mean, their route structure is such. I think they cross the border at 6 different places. Their route structure is far better than ours in relation to Mexico. And it's true, as you say, that Kansas City Southern has a very significant presence in Mexico. But in terms of what we can do with our money and what we see as the prospects, there are good prospects there, but there are good prospects elsewhere for traffic too. So it doesn't make sense for us. But maybe someday something will. But the math does not work for Mexico. But we'll continue. We're continuously thinking about Mexico, but we're thinking about lots of other markets too. There are lots of possibilities for moving more freight on the BNSF over the years, and we won't forget about Mexico, but we won't do anything silly either. Charlie?
I don't know, say, it's awfully easy to imagine combinations that just make you rich with sleight of hand. And of course, the easiest transaction is buying a competitor. But most of that stuff, when you get to a certain size, you can't do. So why spend time even thinking about it? I'm afraid Burlington Northern is going to have to get ahead on its own from here on.